Hello students, we will discuss about the topic that resistors. So what are resistors? That these are electrical components. These are electrical components provide resistance, or we can say that opposition to flow of current. So here we have two type of resistors. First is called that wire bound resistor. First is wire bound resistors, and second is what? Carbon resistors. Wire bound resistors that are made just like, suppose you have a wire, and in this way this wire is wrapped on an insulating material in the form of large number of turns, just like a spring. So these are the turns, and you know that as a resistance is directly proportional to the length of the wire. So as we are making the number of turns, length of the wire increases, so resistance also get increased. So this material that is used for winding a wire is that nichrome standard resistor. These are what? Nichrome, Constantan, Magnan, or Eureka also, etc. And why we are using these material? Because you know that their alpha, that is temperature coefficient, is very small. Very small. We can say that what is negligible. So these are the wire bound resistors. Here we can say that the resistors can be made of what? Alloys, and these are large in size and expensive. Large in size and expensive, and we can represent them with the help of this symbol. You know, this is a symbol of a resistance. So this is what? Symbol of fixed resistance. This is the resistor of fixed resistance, and these are the resistors having arrow in between. They are called what? Variable resistors. We call them variable resistors, or this is also a symbol of variable resistors. So these resistors are costly and expensive, and we cannot use as a metals alloys that are made of metals. So metals are costly, so we can not prefer these wound wires resistors. So we have second type of the resistor, that is what? Carbon resistor. So by the name of it is clear that they are made of a carbon resistor, and they are of fixed resistance. What did they say? They provide only fixed resistance, and the symbol is this. In this carbon resistor, we will take what? A carbon that is compressed at high temperature and pressure. High temperature and pressure in the form of cylinder. You can say that, suppose this is a cylindrical form, and this cylindrical form is made of by carbon, and you know that graphite also, pure graphite also the carbon. Pure graphite is also a carbon. So that is compressed at high temperature and pressure and form in the form of a cylinder, and at the ends there is what? Metal contacts to make the terminals. These are what? Metal contacts. These are of lead. They are of what? Lead. They are used for making the metallic connection, or connection to the electrical circuits. And outside there is what? A ceramic casing or ceramic body. This is what? A ceramic body. We can say that the carbon is enclosed in a ceramic body. Ceramic mean a crystalline carbon that is used to transparent material that is used to enclose the carbon. So these are what carbon registers. Now our important task is to how to read the value of carbon register. In the labs we have this type of the small component of registers. Those are very cheap, not expensive, and small in size. We have these type of carbons, cylindrical form, and on this cylindrical form there are 4 bands of colors. From left side we'll start the bands, 4 bands of colors. This is our first band, this is of second band of color, this is third, and this is what 4. Minimum 3 bands will be there and maximum 4. Okay, if 4th band is not there, then how to read the carbon resistance, that I will explain. So first of all, you see there are but 4 bands of the colors, and these color bands can be translated into a number by using this relation. Mean resistance can be numbered as B1 into B2 into multiplier of 10 B3 plus minus B4. So now this is B1 is the first digit of any number, B2 is the second digit, this is our multiplier, power of 10, and in the power of 10 there is but B3, and this is what tolerance, plus minus tolerance. What is plus minus tolerance? Mean we can the resistance can be plus minus according to the percentage. We have the maximum or minimum value. So here this tolerance will decide the range of the resistance. So by remembering this formula we can find the resistance, and we can give the numbers to the resistance by knowing the colors of the band. Now color coding can be remembered. Now color coding can be remembered by using the sentence. What is that sentence? B. Roy of Great Britain has very good wife wearing gold silver necklace. So now the capital letters stands for colors, and these are the capital letters, they stand for the colors. Okay, so first of all we will start B for black, this B for brown, this B for red, this B for orange, this for yellow, this for green, this for blue, this for violet, this for gray, W for white, wearing gold, color gold, silver, necklace. These are the last fourth colors, gold, silver and necklace. They will decide the tolerance. If fourth color is gold, then 5% tolerance, plus minus, then silver 10%, and if necklace mean no color. If there are only 3 colors, then plus minus 20% tolerance. Now the first digit is given by this 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is marked as 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is what tolerance, 5%, 10%, plus minus 20%. For example, suppose we have a carbon register, and on the carbon register there are 4 bands. First one is of yellow, second is of violet, third is of brown, and fourth, let it be gold. Then how to read these carbon registers? So you know that the number is B1 B2 into multiplier B3 plus minus B4%. This is what a tolerance. So now the first band is of yellow, and yellow is our first band, and according to the yellow color here we have 4. Then we write here what 4. Second color is what violet. The violet stand for second band. The violet color having the coding, you see here 7 into 10 raised to power B3. B3 is brown. So according to the brown we have power 10 raised to power 1 plus minus B4. B4 mean gold. B4 color is gold, and gold having tolerance plus minus 5%. So in this way we can write 470 plus minus 5% ohm. This is the resistance of the carbon register. In this way we can read the carbon register. Now students, we have this numerical where we have a carbon register and there are 4 bands of the color green, brown, yellow and gold, and we have to find out the resistance of this carbon register. So you know that the formula is B1 B2 into multiplier B3 plus minus B4%. This is the formula. So we know that the sentence to how to code the sentence to remember sentence to find the color coding of the carbon register, that is B.B. Roy, Great Britain, has very good wife wearing gold silver necklace. So B for 0 coding, this B for 1, this B for black, alphabetically will go black, then this is brown, then red, this is what orange, this is yellow, G for this, G for green, here B for blue, alphabetically this is this V for violet, the G for grey, this W for white, and gold. These are the colors, those will decide about the tolerance. These color will decide about the tolerance. So tolerance gold is for 5%, this is 10%, and this is what 20% plus minus. So you know that according to the bands, the first band is of green color, and green color is coded as 5. Green color is coded as what 5. Here we write 5. Now second band is brown. The brown is coded as a 1 into 10. B3 third color is yellow, and yellow here we have 4. Plus minus B4 is gold. Gold having tolerance plus minus 5%. Further we can expand, or further we can calculate the range of the resistance, because here it is plus minus 5%. How will write it? 51 into 10 raised to power 4 plus minus the 5% of this value. How we will write? 51 into 10 raised to power 4, then 5%. Further we can write 51 into 10 raised to power 4 plus minus, here we will write 5 and 25 will multiply 51 into 5, 225, 255, then here decimal into 10 raised to power 4, because now the powers become same. Then what we write? 51 plus minus 2.55 into 10 raised to power 4. So range is, this is the range. 51 here what we write? 53.55 to 51, then minus 2.55 we will write what? 48.45. This is the range of the resistance. In this way we can calculate the resistance of carbon resistors. I hope this is clear to all of you. Thank you.